Hello, my name is Tutivera Hosking. I am the Assistant Villa Manager here at Te Manawa, and I've been here with Pacific Resort Hotel Group for 2 years now. I love meeting new people, families, couples sharing their honeymoon, anniversary, birthdays. To me, meeting new people is the best part of my job. I started at Pacific Resort as a guest services agent. Did that for a year and a half. Enjoyed it, loved it. My inspiration would be my little family. They are honest no matter what. If it wasn't for my little family, I wouldn't be where I am now. I keep focused because of them.